Hi everyone, it's Anne Marie. I wanted to pop on real quickly and share with you this adorable little recipe album that I made. This is not my design. This is my Country Craft Creations fellow design team member, Michelle Allen. This is her, I think she called it an endless accordion album. You can see it's super, super cute. The accordion's on the side, and it was just so much fun to make. I made one earlier, sorry, for a swap that Tammy's having over on Country Craft Creations with this album, and I love it so much. I'm going to make a whole bunch of them. Thank you so much, Michelle, for sharing this tutorial. So what I used was Authentique's paper line called Ingredient. Now this is an older paper line. I want to say this is from 2018. But this was perfect for this album. So I'm sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed too. So here is the front of it. It is magnetized. You can use magnets or you could tie them shut. I decided to go with magnets, and I'm going to do this, see if it's easier. Just ignore all that crap in the background. But anyway, I used one of the cut-aparts as on the little flap. It says, "Welcome, the kitchen is open." And then I put a little sticker that says, "Kiss the cook," and one that says, "Love." And these little super cute little icons were part of the cut-aparts. There was 4 of them. One's apples, one says, what is that, peas? Whoop, come here. I just glued 2 of them together. That one's lemons, and that one's cherry. So I thought that was super cute. So that's the front. When you open it up, you can see I put a little sticker there that says "Good Eats." This is the view from the top. So there's 3 little storage sections. And they hold these little file folders. Now I changed up the style of the file folder so that I could put some recipe cards in it. But the dimensions are all the same as in Michelle's tutorial. So this is one of the 4x6s. It says a pinch of this and a dash of that. How cute is that? That's on the front. And I just put some ribbon in to hold it shut. But I untied it for the video. And then I just kind of used some recipe cards. There's in the paper collection, there was one 12 by 12 page of recipe cards, and I cut them out, and then I took them to my printer and I made copies of it so that I had a bunch of recipe cards. So I just turned it into a little waterfall. You can see there's 3 recipe cards there. Then in the inside of the file folder, I just made a little pocket with one of the 3x4 tags, and I put a couple more recipe cards in it. So then it would tie shut. I had that in the first slot there. The second slot, the second file folder, it says here, "Today's menu, take it or leave it." I can't tell you how many times I heard that when I was a kid. We had 6 kids, so you either take it or leave it. So yeah, so again, I just made another little waterfall. Check out those eggs. I don't know, I call them dippy eggs. I don't know if they're sunny side up eggs or over easy, whatever they are. I call them dippy eggs. How cute is that paper? So there's 3 of those. And then never trust a skinny cook. Oh, that's awesome. And then I just made a little pocket here to store a couple more recipe tags or recipe cards. Sorry about that. And there's 2 of the cut-aparts. Thought they were super, super cute. You can see there, the back side of the eggs I just showed you are these chickens. They are hysterical. So that is folder number 2. Look at that paper. Isn't that gorgeous? And then the third file folder, I suppose you can make as many as you want. The third file folder features the chickens. And then one of the cut-aparts is "Laughter is brightest where food is best." Then I did it this way. That's the inside cover. It says, "One cannot think well, love well, sleep well if one has not dined well." And then there are 3 recipe cards. kind of made a sideways waterfall. And then I have a couple of extras, and then some of the cut-aparts. Granny's homemade fresh pie, 5 cents. That tells you how old that was. And then there is a cow with fresh milk. And then I thought this was kind of cute. I hope you can see it. It just has, like, 1 gallon is 4 quarts, different measurements. I thought that was super cute, so I put that on the tag. So that is the third file folder. And then here, I kind of changed it up a little bit. Michelle's original design didn't have a pocket, but I added a pocket on the front. Right here, you can see where the magnets are. And then it says, just beat it with a whisk. And now you're singing the Michael Jackson song. So here's a couple more of the cut-aparts. Let's get baking. Life is what you bake it. Hometown bakery, fresh baked goods. And then I sugarcoat everything. I just thought that was so cute. So that is the front. And then on the back is another pretty large pocket. And I just put a bunch of recipe cards in. There's like 4 or 5 of them here. So I just think it's super fun to help get somebody started. If you have a child that moved out or somebody's getting married or whatever. But yeah, this project is so super cute. You should check out Michelle Allen's YouTube channel. And you can actually find this project over in Country Craft Creations in the Swap Cafe on Facebook. And I hope you try it and go check out Michelle. She's fantastic. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.